and welcome to ET Auto. We are here at Yashobhumi, where the component show is taking place as part of the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. And what we see here is increased efforts by Tier 1 majors, including a global Tier 1 major like BorgWarner, roughly $14 billion odd size of the company, and which is really making new efforts towards tapping this growing electrification megatrend. But to tell us more about the overall strategy and industry trends and how India will be tapped by this global major, we have with us not one, not two, but three senior representatives of the company. And it's my pleasure to introduce them. Dr. Stefan Demmerle, President and General Manager of Power Drive Systems. Guenther Raab, who is the Vice President Engineering of Power Drive Systems. And last but not least, Chandra Krishnamurthy, Global Engineering Director, Systems and Software Engineering and Engineering Excellence, Safety and Security. So gentlemen, thanks for sparing your time. And tell us, in terms of this whole electrification megatrend, Stefan, I would like to start with you. This electrification megatrend, currently, how do you see it progressing? And in India, what are the opportunities that you see which BorgWarner would like to tap?
So the overall electrification is in a strong growth. Nevertheless, we see regional differences. We see in China especially very strong growth and continued strong growth. Europe and the Americas, we see a little bit slower growth, but still growing. And we see also now India coming into the game with support from the government to really push for more electrification. So we see India as a real growth opportunity for us.
Right. And Chandra, in terms of when you talk about the India opportunity, it's not only the market opportunity, it's also the talent, the engineering kind of talent pool that's here. That's also an opportunity that global Tier 1s are tapping, and increasingly so. So tell me, how is BorgWarner kind of tapping its India presence to enhance its global competitiveness, and especially in the context of tapping the electrification megatrend?
Okay. So we embarked on a journey 4.5 years back when we acquired Delphi Technologies. We became a single company with BorgWarner, Delphi coming together. We made a decision to invest on the engineering talent here in India. So we grew up our organization. We have a technical center in Bangalore. It's called the India Propulsion Engineering Center. And we started with around 65 engineers, and today we are close to 550 engineers there in that location. And we started from software, and now it has grown to a completely full-blown engineering organization representing systems engineering, software engineering, electronics, hardware development, mechanical simulation analysis, system simulation analysis, also supporting roles like processes, tools, methods, functional safety, cybersecurity. So we have pretty much covered all facets of engineering that is needed for engineering our products. And that's kind of the way we have started here with building up the engineering talent.
So tell us, in terms of any of the products that you're displaying here, what are the kind of new innovations that you have put there, and to enhance the competitiveness of BorgWarner in the increasingly competitive industry?
No, thank you very much. Very good question. As we said, as Chandra elaborated, we build up a lot of talent. We're driving a lot of development efforts in the organization, and with the development, we also need to focus on innovation, on really competitive product design. So electrification space is a growing market, as Stefan elaborated, and as you questioned in the beginning. So we see a lot of possibilities, growth opportunities here. And in all of our products, we bring innovation in. So if you start from an IDM level, so here we have
IDM is what? Integrated drive module?
IDM stands for integrated drive module.
Okay.
It's a here in this case, it's a 3-in-1 system. We have the power electronics, the inverter here, integrated into the housing, which houses the gearbox design, as well as the electric machine here. So highly integration is a key topic in order to bring cost down, efficiency up, and that's where we are innovating on in various designs. Meanwhile, we go into even higher integration with 7-in-1 systems where we bring more product, more electronics into the single product here. So that's definitely innovation space. Then part of a drive module is always a motor. You see two different technologies. That's high voltage hairpin technology for electric drive units, mainly in the battery electric market. For hybrid applications, we support a different technology. It's a continuous winding technology. Here also innovation. We won a PACE award for this technology as well a couple of years back.
This is the one which you got you the PACE award, huh?
That's one where we got the PACE award.
Okay.
And then if you move further on in onboard chargers, inverters, so a lot of innovation in here also in terms of new semiconductor technologies, capabilities in design, and specifically topologies, how we build up inverters here, onboard chargers and DC-DC converters. Our biggest area in our business unit is the inverters.
Okay.
So power electronics, inverter transfers the DC energy from the battery into the AC to drive the motor. We have proprietary dual-sided cooled power modules which we are using here, and continuously evolving our technologies here in this space. So.
I see. That's good to know about these developments and what you showcase at the IDM. So the idea is to have pack more in lesser space. Is that correct? They have to offer more compact solution.
More compact, more integrated.
And lighter maybe, because lightweighting is becoming an increasingly sensitive topic.
Lightweighting is very sensitive, especially in the EV space, but also the packaging, the size is very, and combining the use of components in order to bring costs down. I mean, it's very much cost-focused, cost-driven innovation here, which we are driving in order to have very competitive products for all the markets we are dealing in.
There you heard the gentlemen, key leaders of BorgWarner, who have flown down from USA to be part of Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 and sharing their views about the electrification megatrend and how BorgWarner plans to tap that megatrend globally while leveraging its presence in India. On that note, thank you for watching this interview. Take care. Goodbye.